Very good morning, students. So far we have seen the properties of definite integrals. Today we will be solving exercise 2.9 some questions. So let us take the first question. Integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 x cube cos cube x dx. X cube cos cube x dx. Okay. So let us solve this function by using the properties. He is clearly mentioning in exercise 2.9 to solve these questions based on the properties. So first let us take f of x is equals to x cube and cos cube of x dx. Cos cube x. So we are taking this is the f of x function. Now if I replace x with minus x, so minus x whole cube cos cube of minus x. As we have already learned that cos of minus x will be cos x. Sin of minus x will be minus sin x. Very important this too. Okay, cos of minus theta will be cos theta. Sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. So here minus x cube will become minus x cube only. Here cos cube x. Why? Because cos of minus theta will be cos theta. Cos of minus x will be cos x. So we are getting it as minus of f of x. So therefore f of minus x is equals to minus of f of x. Therefore it is an odd function. Therefore it is an odd function. If it is an odd function, then integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 x cube cos cube x dx is equal to 0. Already we have seen in the formula that whenever you are getting odd function like f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then integral answer will be 0. Let us take another second question. Second question, integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. In this question here, answer, let f of x is equals to sin square theta. So f of theta here. Why? Because variable is theta. Let us put it as theta. Now let us do f of minus theta. F of minus theta means sin square of minus theta. So we are going to get here it as sin square theta. Why? Because square na. So sin of minus theta will be sin theta, but since it is a square, it will become sin square theta. So we are getting f of minus theta is equals to sin square theta. Here f of minus theta is equals to f of theta. So therefore it is an even function. It is an even function. So if it is an even function, what we can write here? 2 integral 0 to pi by 2. Yesterday only we have learned from this type of property. If it is an odd function, the answer will be 0. If it is an even function, we have to write 2 times of the integral from 0 to pi by 2. Whatever the interval it may be there, we have to write 0 to the upside value into sin square theta d theta. So sin square theta, this can be written as 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. So 2 gets cancelled. So integral 1 value will be x theta minus cos 2 theta formula is sin 2 theta by 2 over the limits 0 to pi by 2. So let me substitute in this. So if I substitute theta, it will be pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 into pi by 2 minus 0 So 0 minus Sin 0 is 0. So pi by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Sin pi, sin 180 is 0. So answer will be pi by 2. Okay, next, let us see the next question. So 2.3 question. Integral -1 to 1 log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x dx. This is the question. Answer. So f of x is equals to log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x. So first let us find out f of minus x, that is log of 2 minus into minus x will become plus x by 2 minus x. So log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. It is log of 2 minus x. So here if I take minus common, so what it will become here? Log of 2 minus x minus log of 2 plus x. So this, if I am writing in log a minus log b, this can be written as log a by b, which is log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x. So which is equals to minus of f of x. So we are getting f of minus x is equals to minus f of x. Therefore it is an odd function. So if a function is odd, then what we are going to get here? Integral -1 to 1 log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x dx is equals to 0. Let us see the next question. Question number 4. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x dx. Whenever trigonometric functions are there, and whenever integral is from 0 to pi by 2, 0 to if any integral is there, so we have learnt a formula that better to make this as I. So let I is equals to sin power 7x by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x. That is equals to I. Integral 0 to pi by 2. So yesterday in properties we have learned this from the here. Integral a to b f of x dx can be written as f of a plus b minus x dx. Same formula we will try. Sorry, b plus a plus b, b plus a, no issues. A plus b minus x. So the same, this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x by sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x plus cos to the power of 7 pi by 2 minus x. If I replace it, so let me rub this formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of 90 minus theta, it will become cos. So cos power 7x by cos power 7x plus sin power 7x. I is equals to, this is second equation, and what we have written is the first equation. Now add 1 and 2. Let us add 1 and 2. What we are going to get here? I plus I, which is 2i. So 2i is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 for both also. So 0 to pi by 2. Here sin power 7x plus cos power 7x divided by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x dx. These two gets cancelled. So the answer will be 1. So 2I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, which is x. So x integral 0 to pi by 2, which is 2I is equal to. So I is equals to, if I substitute x value, that is pi by 2, 2I is equals to, so we can write I is equals to pi by 2 means it will become pi by 4. Let us take this next fifth question. So integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x 1 by x minus 1 dx. So to solve this, since it is there 0 to 1, we can apply I is equals to, but if you are applying I is equals to, if I substitute 1, so the same concept we are going to get here. So instead of that applying I, let us do like this here. We can apply like this now, 0 to a f of x dx. In the previous one you have discussed this formula, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Means I have discussed a plus b minus x, but here only a plus 0 is there. A plus 0 means a minus x. So we are going to apply this formula here. So if you are applying in this, what we are going to get here, 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x dx. This is the question. So if I apply here, we are going to get it as here a minus x. So that can be written as here. Let us take the function f of x is equals to log of 1 minus x by x. So if I take f of minus x, so I cannot take f of minus x, but because if I replace with minus x, it is not a function. So let us do like this. Let us take the limits only. So integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x dx is equals to, now this can be replaced with integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by 1 minus x. Wherever x is there, we are writing it as 1 minus x. Why? Because the formula is a minus x. So integral 0 to 1 log of 1 gets cancelled, it will become x by 1 minus x dx. Now look at here. Integral 0 to 1 log x minus log of 1 minus x, log a minus log b, log a by b, na? Log a minus log b. We can take minus common here. Minus, if I take common, it will become log of 1 minus x minus log x. No. See here, this one will become integral 0 to 1 log a by log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b. That is 1 minus x by x. So if you are, whatever the question that he has given, we are getting here negative extra. So negative of minus 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x. So by this we can say that f of x is equals to minus of f of x. Therefore it is an odd function. It is an odd function. So definitely the integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x dx is equals to 0. Since it is an odd function, the integral answer will be 0. Let us take the last question. Let us do the last question of the exercise. Integral 0 to 1 x by 1 minus x whole to the power of 3 by 4 dx. So by applying the property, so we can apply by seeing this, we can do easily, but by applying the property 0 to 1, we apply the previous formula in the previous question you have applied, na? Integral 0 to a f of x dx, integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, the same formula we are applying here. Okay. So in place of x, we are going to replace a minus x. Here a value is 1, so we are going to replace 1 minus x. Wherever x is there, we have to replace with 1 minus x. So this is the question. Integral 0 to 1 x by 1 minus x whole to the power of 3 by 4 dx is equals to integral 0 to 1 x means I have to write 1 minus x. So 1 minus x whole to the power of 3 by 4 dx. So here integral 0 to 1, in the numerator 1 minus x, so 1 gets cancelled, x to the power of 3 by 4 dx. Integral 0 to 1, 1 by x to the power of 3 by 4 minus x by x to the power of 3 by 4 dx. So integral 0 to 1, it will become x to the power of minus 3 by 4 dx minus integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 4 dx. So x to the power of minus 3 by 4 will be minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 over the boundary limit 0 to 1 minus x to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 1 over the integral 0 to 1. So x to the power of 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 whole to the power of 0 to 1 minus x to the power of 5 by 4 by 5 by 4 integral 0 to 1. It will become 4. So 4 we can write it at outside since it is a constant. So 1 power 1 by 4 is 1 minus 0 minus we can write 4 by 5 outside. So 1 minus 0. So the final answer will be 4 minus 4 by 5. So 4 5 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16 by 5.